Hello, we found this poor little bird. It got hit by a motorcycle. The wings is on the right side is broken. On the other side is still okay. We don't know what to do. We just brought him home. See, it has a very big mouth. This bird has a very big mouth. Oops. See? Big mouth. Very big mouth. We will try to take care of this bird until he is okay, and then we will release it. Whoops. Oh my goodness. See, anyone who can identify what kind of bird this is? We will just put it in a box here for the meantime. Whoop! See, the other wing is broken. The right wing is broken. Oops! I will try to catch it and put it on the box. Whoop! Oi! Whoops! See? Very big mouth. Oy! Put it there so that it will heal. Peanut butter box. Okay. Anyone who know what kind of bird this is, just comment and tell us what to do. Okay. Thank you.